Well, what's up everyone, Devin32 here. So I'm back with another LeetCode video. Without further ado, let's just get into it. So you are given two non-empty linked lists. So this is the LeetCode challenge, adding two numbers. So you're given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. So you may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So you can see the example on the screen. There are two linked lists there. You can see the input of list 1, 2, 4, 3. List 2, you have 5, 6, and 4. So the output is 7, 0, and 8. So you can see 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 6 is 10. So the 0 is left there, you carry. Then we have 1 plus 3 plus 4. So the 1 is carried from 6 plus 4, which is 10. Then we have a 3 plus 4 plus 1. So it gives you 8. So that's the explanation you can see on the screen. But in depth, we're going to look at how I was able to tackle this. This challenge is medium. So it took a while before I was able to get the solution to this. So the constraints are the numbers. The number of nodes in each linked list is in the range 1 to 100. 0 is less than or equal to node.val greater than or equal to 9. It is guaranteed that the list represents a number that does not have leading zeros. So going into the solution, as you can see on the screen, the first step is I created a dummy node and a current node to keep track of the current node we are on. We initialized a carry variable to 0. I looped through both the lists as long as there are nodes in both lists or there is a carry. So in this instance, you had the 6 plus 4 is 10. So you carry on to the next one. We get the value of the current node in both lists. If the current node is none, we set the value to 0. Then we add the value of the current node and the carry. We update the carry. We update the value of the current node. We update the value. We update the current node to the next node. We update the current node in both lists. Return the next node to the dummy node. So as you can see on the screen, I thoroughly commented this code so I can be able to keep track, because it's a bit challenging to get to this solution. But I'll leave the link to the source code on my GitHub. I did this about a few months ago, and man, I took about 2 days to be able to solve it. So, and today I just decided to release it, just to show how I went about solving the problem. So there's your answer. So when you go and solve the problem on LeetCode, it passes all the test cases that are there in LeetCode and you're able to submit. So happy coding. I'll be dropping tons of videos on LeetCode challenges. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you can be getting all the new videos that are dropping. This year is going to be great, and stay tuned. Happy coding.